In this guide, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your PlayStation Network account using your PS5. You will need your mobile phone for this process. First, go to Settings on your PS5 console. From there, navigate to Users and Accounts. Once the account settings have loaded, scroll across and select Security. At the bottom of the Security section, you'll find the option for two-step verification. Select it, then use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your screen. This will take you to your account security settings. Next, choose Edit next to the two-step verification option. You'll be asked to select your preferred verification method, either text message, SMS, or an authenticator app. For this example, select text message. Enter your phone number, and a verification code will be sent to your device. Input that code on your PS5 to confirm. Once completed, two-factor authentication will be successfully enabled on your account, adding an extra layer of security. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials.